Facility because I've already cleaned our bathroom, and so I didn't want to you know, get it dirty with makeup and stuff. So I brought my stuff down here. Gotta wash my hands. Brought my stuff down here so that I could just get ready. Same outfit as yesterday. It's all the fluff from my jacket. I washed these last night. Anyone that's wondering, I literally wash everything, every article of clothing, if you get what I mean. So our unit closed, so it is officially sold. Oh, did that work? Our unit officially sold. So we are waiting for the purchase of our new place to go through, and then we will go pick up the keys. But as of right now, I'm just gonna take my makeup back upstairs. I think Natalie is at the condo, so yeah, we'll go see her maybe, or I will without you guys, sorry. Nothing too much to update you on. We heard from the lawyer, so we should be getting the keys within the hour. It's 3:30. Our movers are supposed to be here. We don't have the keys to our new place, so hopefully they can start wrapping, disassembling some other things. We're gonna take one piece of furniture to the storage unit. Oh, I guess the movers are here.
So we're still waiting on our keys.
Starting. I'm feeling mixed emotions. I may or may not have cried. A little bit. Okay, I got the keys. Now I have to fight all of this traffic to get home, and yeah, I'm so happy. My cousins and my aunt and uncle are coming over tonight because they have not, I think I said that, but they have not seen it. And I think my Nana and my other aunt might come over. Today was so stressful. I don't even have my camera. Oh my gosh! We're so sad. It's pretty much done. Like, it's empty. I'm just sweeping and vacuuming. It feels so much smaller now that everything is like out, I think. Some people feel like it would be bigger, but it feels a lot smaller to me. I kind of feel emotional. I'm not gonna cry. I might cry to myself. It's so weird because this doesn't feel real. It's empty. It doesn't feel real. I loved this place. It was really small, but I loved it. Gotta keep going.
I feel great.
Do you feel great? Do you feel
Yes.
sad at all?
No.
Nothing?
Nope, no emotion.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Like, you're not saying that to be funny.
No. I'm probably emotionally repressed, so I can't feel anything.
Okay, grabbing the last amount of stuff. Got them a little flower and like welcome sort of thing. Just going through the last bits to see if we've left anything in the washer. That would be like me, and it would be like me to leave underwear in the washer, but nope, nothing. Bathroom. Take that. Guess we're done. Goodbye to this wonderful, wonderful condo that served us so well. So many fun memories here, so many good memories. We have Friendsgiving and all of our family here and Walter and just...
So selfish.
Our first home that we ever owned. Amazing. We were really saying goodbye. Turning off the lights. Yes. Let me just do it one more time. Look, nothing. Nothing. Ooh, I feel a little teary-eyed. Okay. We got this. Okay. Turn off the lights. Oh. Okay. This is it. Locking it for the last time. This is our new space. Our couch doesn't fit. We're gonna figure that out, but I'm not gonna stress about it. We have a blue wall, but the exciting thing is this week, actually, we are leaving for Kansas City and this whole place is getting painted. Probably take down those curtains, and we just gotta figure out about the couch situation, because, I mean, we love this couch just because it fits so many people, but obviously it's a little bit too big for the space. Just waiting on family. Family is coming over. Oh, it's so pretty to see the lights outside. I don't know, I love seeing, like, I don't think you can see it through there. Oh, you kind of can. I love seeing lights. What? Oh. And also tomorrow, the demo of the kitchen starts, which is crazy. So the flooring is coming out tomorrow. And we're actually, it's not that much different. We're doing something called poured concrete. And then I think the demo, the backsplash is happening tomorrow. And then the kitchen guy is coming to give us a quote. We're pretty sure we're going with him. He's the one that did my sister's cabinet, so we're just gonna go with him. We're gonna get new cabinet fronts, new appliances. This fridge is huge. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited. And definitely new lighting. That is very yellow. Back at the Hilton, yeah. We are at, oh, second hotel in what, 2 days?
I do not think the bathroom lights work.
What? I look crazy. What? There's no. Maybe there's attached to like a
Master light switch.
There you go. We are at we're at the hotel. My parents, well, my mom booked us a hotel room, which was so nice because obviously sleeping in the chaos would be chaos. And because we are potentially getting our place painted while we are away, we're not gonna like set up the bed and stuff. I know, I just saw that Andrew like pulled out a IKEA tool from his pocket. Anyways, I don't really know how the footage today is gonna work. If it all is like jumbled, who knows. There's probably a lot of blank spots in today, but that's okay. All of our moving vlogs part will be over. I'm delusional. I don't even know if I'm making sense. So I'm gonna call it quits. I gotta take a shower. So tomorrow is an early day. We've got, we've got workers coming. We got appliance removal company coming. All this crazy stuff. So thanks so much for following this crazy journey. Ew. I will see you again tomorrow. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Good night.